In 1992, 3 women vanished from the same house, without a trace. No struggle, no forced entry, nothing stolen, just gone. They were known as the Springfield Three: Cheryl Levitt, her daughter Susie, and Susie's friend Stacy. That night, they returned home after a graduation party. Everything seemed normal, but the next morning, they were gone. Their purses were still inside, keys untouched, cars parked outside. Even the TV was left on. There was only one strange detail. The porch light was broken. The glass had been cleaned up, as if someone didn't want it noticed. Police searched everywhere: the house, the neighborhood, the entire city. Nothing. No witnesses, no suspects, no answers. 3 women disappeared from a quiet home, and no one knows how or why. More than 30 years later, they've never been found.